In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule or delay sending an email in Microsoft Outlook. Sometimes you don't want an email to go out right away. Maybe you're writing late at night and want it to arrive the next morning, or you're working ahead and want messages to send at a specific time. Outlook has a built-in feature that lets you do exactly that. And it's very straightforward once you've seen it in action. First, open Outlook and start by composing a new email, just like you normally would. Click on New Email, then enter the recipient's address, your subject line, and the content of your message. Take a moment to make sure everything looks correct, because this is the version Outlook will send later automatically. Now, instead of clicking Send right away, look at the top of the message window for the Options tab. Go ahead and click Options. Within this tab, you'll see several tools that control how your email behaves. What you're looking for is the option called Delay Delivery. Click on Delay Delivery to open the settings for scheduling your message. A new window will appear with additional options. In this window, find the section labeled Delivery Options. Here, you'll see a checkbox that says something like, Do not deliver before. Check that box. Once it's selected, you can set the exact date and time when you want your email to be sent. Click on the Date field to choose the day, and then adjust the Time field to the hour and minute that works best for you. When you've chosen your preferred schedule, double-check that the details are correct. This is important, because Outlook will follow these settings exactly. After confirming everything looks right, click Close to return to your email window. Now you can click Send, even though you're not ready for the email to go out immediately. Instead of being sent right away, your message will move into the Outbox folder, where it will stay until the scheduled time arrives. As long as Outlook is running and you are connected to the internet at that time, it will automatically send the email for you. If you change your mind before it's sent, you can open your Outbox, double-click the message, and either adjust the delivery time in Delay Delivery or remove the scheduling option entirely. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to schedule or delay sending an email in Microsoft Outlook, giving you more control over when your messages arrive.